And what do we do with this Pei Pa Koa?
I've used it. I love it.
What is it?
It's like a, I guess it's like a cough syrup, but it's like the most soothing
goodness,
thing
thank you.
for singers.
Oh my goodness.
It's amazing.
I've heard of this and I haven't used it.
It is amazing.
Thank you so much.
This got me through performing a musical 8 shows a week.
Is that true?
Yeah.
I need all the help I can get if this really
It
works.
just makes you'll sound like a flute.
This is amazing.
Yeah, we're very excited.
I couldn't find it.
Is it so good?
It's so good.
I'm so excited.
And it tastes delicious also. Every time I've done a show, this is the thing I have
Really?
used. Yeah.
Oh my god, amazing. I'll add it to my vocal box. Okay, thank you.